Good morning, it is Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Market opens up here in less than 10 minutes, so let's see what happens. Have an order at 132.45 here on Roku to go short for my first 500 shares. It's working its way up there. Stopped at 132.33. All right, well, going to go to 132.85 now. So 132.85. Well, there DXC goes. I was watching this one. Let's go to 32.85. See if it can get up there. First 2 minutes of the day right there started off super slow, so it lost my attention, and then all of a sudden it lit up my scanners again. So let's see if it can get up to 32.85, and also gonna keep an eye on Roku. Okay, I have an order at 133.45 here now on Roku. Oh, stop 3 cents short, but I'm gonna keep my order out there. Oh, that's disappointing. Literally right there, high 133.42, and I was at 45. That's definitely frustrating. So 133.85 now. Let's see if we can get that hit. Okay, I'm in. Gonna go my next order at 134.45. And I have an exit order at 133.50. So there gave me the 175. So nice 175 move there. But let's see, what was this high at? High of 133. So yes, I'm at 134.45. Let's see if it can get up to me. This last time I was short 3 cents. We'll see if it can work its way up there or not. First key break is going to be that round number of 134. So there's the break. Can it get up there? Yeah, not even. Well, that makes me feel a little bit better. It wasn't even close at that time. 134.22. So we'll see if it can work its way up to that point or not. But again, currently up 175 now. Okay, working its way back up to the 45 mark. Whoops, stopping once again, so let's just go up to 85. Given that worked beautifully last time. So 134.85. I may be looking to go short a little bit sooner than that based on if this looks like it's showing some weakness. But as of right now, I'm going to stay up there at 134.85. All right, this one's looking relatively weak here, so I'm going to try for some at 134.25. So I got those. Going to then try for some at 134.95. So let's see what this thing wants to do. Looks like I might want to roll over here a bit. So it took me out there for 25 cents. So now I'm up $300, and it is what, 9:40. So $300 in 10 minutes. I'm no greedy savage. I'm more than happy with that. But I'm going to go ahead and get long here at 11.69 here. Oh, that could change quick on me. I thought I was getting out up in the 11.80s. Well, error on my part. I'll have to scroll back, but I could have sworn I saw 11.89s on the bid, so I thought I was getting out a whole basically 15 cents higher than what I did. But I suppose in hindsight here, that worked out in my favor as the price is pulling back here a little bit. But APDN, this is the one. Remember, I was looking to try to buy that pullback. I can't remember where, right around here, and it never pulled back, consolidated out, and now boom to the upside. There has been some halts though on it, so I got to be a little bit more careful with it. But yeah, that was a mistake on my part that ultimately kind of worked out in my favor. But I mean, still interested if it gets up closer to 12 and looking like it can potentially get over 12. But there we go, a quick $30 mistake. I have an order at 11.55 here on APDN. We'll see if it can pull back to that area or not. Have an order at 132.25. Getting relatively volatile. Went down as low as 132.30. And now bouncing back up. All right, well, I apologize, but I totally missed the entry point there at 131.75. Try for some down at 131.15. Turn my attention for 2 seconds to check something on my phone, and then all of a sudden I'm filled. So let's see what this wants to do here. That was a pretty wild move to the upside. Have my sell order at 131.95. So let's see what this wants to do. Okay, it gave me 109, so down here yellow means a partial. There we go. So gave me the 100. Apologize for missing the entry point. So now up $400 on Roku, but if this pullback move wants to continue, I am definitely still interested in it. Have an order to go short here at 134.15. Let's see if it can get the break of 134. There it is. Nice. In for my opening allotment. So let's see what this wants to do. Look for some more up there at 134.45. In 134.45. Or if it wants to give me the $75 by hitting 134. So let's see what this wants to do. And it decided to just give me the 15 cents, which equated to $75. I will keep my next order up there at 134.45. So now up over $500 on the day. Well, $500 a day keeps the day job away, so I'm going to go ahead and wrap up the video here and call it good. Before I go, though, a couple quick requests on my part. If you found this video entertaining, if you found it helpful, if you would like for me to keep making these, then the easiest way to communicate that to me is to hit the like button and leave a comment down below. That really goes a long way. Also, check out the channel as a whole. Lots of other videos other than the live trade videos. So check out the channel, and hopefully you ultimately decide to subscribe to that also. But yeah, definitely, at least, if anything, hit that like button, leave a comment below. That really goes a long way. I also do offer a live trading community where you can trade alongside me and other quality traders every day. And then I also send out my personal scans in a weekly email. So if you're interested in learning more, you can just go to claytrader.com/team. And really the main number you have to ask yourself is $8.25, because those numbers break down to $8.25 per week. So do you believe the service can help you make more than $8.25 per week? If you believe that it can, then it'll be a good investment for you and you'll get a great return on your investment. So $8.25, that's the key number. Can that service help you make more than that each week? But again, thank you for hanging out. Thank you for watching. Hit that like button, leave a comment down below, and I hope you get signed up, and I'll see you on the inside. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.